Hey guys, welcome back to another Pass the Guitar Live song tutorials. And in this video, we're gonna cover Zombie by the Cranberries. Yes, what a fantastic song. And the best part, we're gonna learn how to play this entire song with only 4 chords. Yes, you heard it right, 4 chords. So let's waste no time and dive right in. So we're gonna need to use E minors, C majors, G majors, and D majors. That's all. And besides, these are the 4 most used chords out there. Check out this video where we go over some of the many songs you can play with these 4 chords, including Zombie that we're learning in this tutorial. And another very important thing is that we're actually learning how to play the song in the original key, so you can actually play along with the Cranberries original track. Well, now that we have the chords, it's time to go over the strumming pattern. Take a look at it. Well, let me do the usual thing. I'm going to play it and I'm going to count it out loud. So listen to the way that I'm playing and the way that I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. There you have it. Now let's just plug in a chord and practice the strumming pattern. I'm gonna use E minor because it's the easiest chord out of the 4. 1, 2, E, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. With the chords and the strumming pattern, we're ready to actually learn the song. And although this song comes with like intros, verses, choruses, interludes, solo sections, and even an outro, we're only gonna play 1 chord progression, and it's this one here. 4-bar phrase, beautiful, I told you, we're only gonna need 4 chords. That progression starts with a full measure of E minor, followed by a full measure of C major. And then after that, we have a full measure of G major, ending that 4-bar phrase with a full measure of D major. That's it. Let's practice. Let's plug in the strumming pattern and practice this chord progression. We're going to do it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, E minor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, C major. 2, 3, and 4, G major. 1, 2, 3, and 4, D major. 2, 3, and repeat. E minor, 2, 3, and 4, C major, 1, 2, 3, and 4, G major, 2, 3, and 4, and D major, 3, and 4. That's it, that's all. I'm just going to play a little bit of the verse and a little bit of the chorus with this chord progression so you hear that that's all you're going to need. Here we go. I'm going to start with the verse so you can follow along by playing the chords that are on the chart above. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another head slowly, child. Cause That's it. Just let's use the same chord progression again. And now let's hear the chorus. 1, 2, not 3. In your head, in your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. 2 and a 3 and in your head, in your head, zombie. 2 and a 3 and 4. Down, down, up, down, down, down. I told you all we needed were those 4 chords and a strumming pattern, and we are all set to play Zombie by the Cranberries. But if you want to go over all of the other parts of this song and get so much more, you know where to go. Head over to www.passtheguitar.live. Our community is the place to be. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and all the content we bring to you on this channel. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click on that bell, and like this video. Your support is very important for us. My name is David Cordero, and I'll see you on the next video. In your head.